हेलो एवरीवन। तो अभी मैं जीएस का मॉक टेस्ट देने जा रही हूँ, एसएससी सीजीएल का। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। Which of the following statement is are correct about the conservation of energy in a simple pendulum? First, it shows only the transformation of kinetic energy to potential energy. It shows only the transformation of potential energy to kinetic energy. It contains both transformation of energy accordingly, and all are incorrect. So I guess here. In which method of soil conservation the bare ground between the plants is covered with a layer of organic matter like straw? First, contour barrier. Second, terrace farming. Third, shelter belts. Fourth, mulching. Terrace farming, shelter belt. Um, इसको अभी थोड़ा बाद में करते हैं. Which one of the following was not an aim with reference or to the individual satyagraha? Main aim of satyagraha was to prepare the masses for Quit India movement, to express people's feeling that they were not interested in the war. The demand was to uphold the freedom of speech by making anti-war statements, to grant the government a chance to agree to the demands in peaceful manner. यही होना चाहिए. Okay, not an aim. सत्याग्रह. Who presided over the Committee on the Rules of Procedure within the Constituent Assembly? Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi, Rajendra Prasad, K.M. Munshi. Committee of Rules and Procedures. Rajendra Prasad. Which of the following is a government program meant to reduce poverty in India? NRLM, Digital India, Green Revolution, Make in India. Reduce poverty. डिजिटल इंडिया तो नहीं है, ग्रीन रेवोल्यूशन भी नहीं है, मेक इन इंडिया, एनआरएलएम पता तो नहीं है बट तुक्का. ग्रैनी अवार्ड विनर कार्नेटिक म्यूजिशियन थेताकुडी हरिहारा विनायकरम fondly known as Viku is known for his mastery of which of the following musical instruments? Sitar, violin, ghatam, veena. इनका तो नहीं पता. In the following question statement, okay, assertion reason. Assertion is rows of circular brick platform at Harappa were used for religious ceremonies. Reason is these platforms were found to contain wheat and barley. Rows of circular brick platform at Harappa were used for the religious ceremonies. गलत लग रहा है मुझे पहला. हाँ ये. Under the fifth schedule, which primary authority is granted to the government of a state regarding scheduled areas? Power to dissolve the state legislative assembly, power to regulate land, forest and social customs in scheduled area, power to amend the constitution regarding scheduled amendments, authority to appoint members of parliament from scheduled areas. What is the name of the initiative launched by PM Narendra Modi aimed at upgrading ITIs across the country to enhance skilling and employability? PM Setu, Skill India, प्रधानमंत्री कौशल विकास योजना, आत्मनिर्भर भारत स्किल स्कीम. स्किलिंग के लिए तो स्किल इंडिया ही होगा मे बी, या पीएम सेतु, प्रधानमंत्री कौशल विकास योजना, आत्मनिर्भर भारत स्किल स्कीम. ये मुझे नहीं पता. ओके. Consider the following statement regarding mobile tower radiation. First, low frequency electromagnetic radiation from mobile tower are harmless to humans. Second, India's radiation exposure limit is far greater than that in countries like China, Russia. Third, Tarang Sanchar web portal launched by the Department of Telecommunication allows tracking of radiation emitted from mobile towers. Which of the above statement is are correct? Okay, so low frequency force harmless to humans. लो फ्रीक्वेंसी फर्स्ट तो ठीक लग रहा है. ग्रेटर देन तो नहीं होगा चाइना और रशिया से, तो ये तो गलत हो जाएगा. सेकंड वाला तो पक्का गलत है. ये नहीं है, ये नहीं है, तो यही बचता है. मुझे थर्ड वाला मुझे पता नहीं था, बट ऑप्शन से एलिमिनेट करके. According to the National Forest Policy, the forest area is considered to be 33%, 20%, 30%, 25%. 33% आई गेस. तुक्का मार रही हूँ भाई, ये तो श्योर नहीं हूँ मैं इसमें. Which of the following statement about days and night on Earth is are true? A. Days and nights on Earth are due to revolution of Earth. B. Days and night on Earth are due to rotation of the Earth. C. The longest day and the shortest night occur on 21 June in the northern hemisphere. Uh, longest day. ओके, तो फर्स्ट वाला तो देखो गलत है, तो पता ही होगा सबको, तो ये गलत है. सेकंड वाला तो बिल्कुल सही है. बी एंड सी, ए बी सी वही है. मैं सी वाले में थोड़ी कंफ्यूज हूँ. इक्विनॉक्स होता है 21 जून को होता है या अप्रैल में होता है इक्विनॉक्स, बट सही होगा ये क्योंकि ऑप्शन नहीं है इसमें. Which of the following is the best indicator of the borrowings of the government? First, fiscal deficit. Second, primary deficit. Third, balance of payment deficit. Fourth, revenue deficit. Borrowings of government के लिए fiscal revenue तो होगा primary. इसको करते हैं अभी इसको थोड़ा टाइम में. According to the 2025 Global Firepower Ranking, which state about methodology is accurate? Only troop strength is assessed. Ranking relies solely on nuclear strength. Over 60 indicators, including logistic and geography, are used. Countries are ranked alphabetically by region. ये तो मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं आता. Okay, with reference to the book Chola Tigers, The Avengers of Somnath in Chennai, consider the following statement. First, it's historical fiction novel written by Amish Tripathi. Second, it draws inspiration from India's medieval maritime history and cultural assertion. Third, the book is a scholarly academic reconstruction based solely on archival sources. Which of the following statement is correct? First, तो मुझे पक्का पता है सही है, लेकिन फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड, सेकंड ये नहीं होगा. फर्स्ट, थर्ड, थर्ड या सेकंड में से देखना है. It draw inspiration from India's medieval maritime history and cultural association, a scholarly academic. I guess first and second ही होना चाहिए. Okay, तो Chamfuli is a folk dance belonging to which state of India? नहीं पता. Who among the following established himself as an independent ruler with the title Nizam ul Mulk Asaf Jah with his base at Hyderabad? Hyderabad, Chin Kilich Khan, Alivardi Khan, Bahadur Shah, Asaf Jah II. Alivardi Khan. Consider the following statement. Majority of cropped area in India has been occupied by cereals. Second, rice is considered as crop of tropical humid area and it cannot be grown in dry areas. Which of the following statements are incorrect? Uh, Incorrect is dry area में हो सकता है cereals paddy नहीं फर्स्ट वाला cereals से तो नहीं होगा इनकरेक्ट पूछा है ना तो ओनली वन Okay. Which description best represents the ritual sequence and symbolism of the Nocte tribe Loku festival? Ritual fixed annually during harvest season by village elders, ceremonial dances and prayers at Chatham, followed by gunfire ritual, buffalo sacrifice without omen reading, festival derived from solar calendar worship. नहीं पता. Identify the athlete incorrect matched with their sports at National Game 2025. Lovlina uh, Borgohain boxing, Tajinder Pal 2 shot put, Sarabjot Singh swimming, Jyoti Yaraji hurdles. और इनकरेक्टली मैच अरे यार जिसका करेक्टली आता था सिर्फ उसमें इनकरेक्ट पूछा है पता नहीं which of the following statement is correct with reference to the industrial use of freon? First, it is used in refrigeration and aerosol production. It is primarily used in the food processing and as a food preservative. Third, it is used as pesticide and insecticide. Fourth, it is used for textile dyeing. Uh, freon refrigeration में aerosol. Second, it's primary used in food processing as a food preservative. It is used a pesticide. Extra statement regarding the Gupta period. Consider this following statement regarding society after the Gupta period. Practice of land grants to religious institution increased after Gupta period. Social mobility significance expanded due to the decline of the Varna system. Which of the following statement is correct? तो अरे यार तो 18 मार्क्स आए हैं मेरे एंड जीएस में तो मैं ऐसे ही एक्सपेक्ट करती हूँ खैर उससे ज़्यादा मतलब ज़्यादा मार्क्स मेरे आते नहीं हैं तो फर्स्ट का आंसर ये है एंड सेकंड सभी के सॉल्यूशंस दिखा देती हूँ मैं Okay, so that's it for today, and thank you.